Back in the 1990s, the DMAIC sequence of improvement work dominated thinking about training, design and delivery. Students of Lean Six Sigma Black Belt training went through a week, sometimes more, of training for each of these phases of DMAIC, where they received as many of the tools as possible that could be taught in the time frame available. It was a virtual information dump that tried to turn us all into statisticians. It ignored the way we learn best, and it overwhelmed many students, me included, with volumes of theory and information that in many cases would never be used. Unfortunately, this mindset still permeates the industry, and many participants of black belt courses leave the training with a lot of knowledge, but not necessarily practical skill for applying it. I, as did many others, saw this weakness in the industry. So we created a full Lean Six Sigma development program which capitalizes on two things. Firstly, a highly effective learning strategy we refer to as application layering. And secondly, guided micro-assignment work where you use what you were taught so you learn the nuances of actually using these tools. This video is about our second major learning layer, the 26-week Lean Six Sigma Black Belt program. Rather than dump a complete pack of tools and concepts on you as you move through that DMAIC sequence, in this 26-week program we're going to layer in skill sets that are each disciplines on their own. The end result is a more effective learning process and development of a practical skill set that turns you into a business improvement leader who can actually generate results. Throughout the course of this 26-week program, you'll learn the additional skills that are essential for more complex problem solving and leading sustainable improvements. The first 2 weeks focus on understanding and treating process failure modes so that important performance metrics are not negatively impacted by failures. During weeks 3 to 5, we take the project management body of knowledge and show you how to effectively plan a solution implementation project and manage project risk properly. Week 6 opens up the longest part of the sequence, 18 weeks where we focus on quantitative decision making and the practical statistics of a black belt. We'll run through measurement system analysis, process stability, process capability, validating causes using hypothesis tests, correlation, and finally solution generation using regression models as well as designed experiments. In the final 3 weeks of the course, we'll introduce you to quality function deployment and the first level house of quality. Yes, the course does include higher level content in the discipline of quantitative analysis and decision making, but even if you've never been one to like or even use statistical analysis tools, at the end of this you'll understand how these tools are used from a hands-on practical sense, not theory. Like a green belt level training, you have multiple options for how you approach this. You have a super low cost coach guided training only option, a coach guided black belt training option that includes certification, and at the highest level, the full Black Belt Pro coaching option that includes personalized tuition as well as the certification. The thing that makes the 26-week Black Belt program different from all other programs and courses out there of this nature is practical application. Throughout the training, you're given assignments designed to ramp up your knowledge of how things actually work and turn theory into useful skills. At the end of the 26 weeks for all of the training options, you will have assembled a complete package of evidence designed to meet competency standards for the black belt skill set. If you choose the certification option, you get to lodge your evidence for assessment. In the certification process, you also get to participate in the black belt exam. If you select the Black Belt Pro coaching option, in addition to the certification process and exam, you also get assignment feedback and personalized tuition. I'm assuming that if you are watching this video, you intend to expand your skill set. So now you get to make a decision to do that. You can do what I did. You can read an endless stream of technical books looking for answers and find out through years of experimentation how to apply things practically, or you can enroll in the 26-week Black Belt, where I will focus your attention for 26 weeks and share with you my 20 plus years of experience and answers to how this really works. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, click on the chosen option below and enroll today, and I'll see you in the training program.